Hey everyone, Ryan coming back at you here with a late night box break number 2 of 2010 Panini Limited Football. This again came as a really nice surprise tonight after dinner for my fiance, so shout out to Samantha. Thank you very much. Good luck. All these will be for sale or for trade. I didn't get a redemption in the last box, which was awesome. So hopefully the trend can continue. Checklist. Empty pack. There we go. First base. Out of 499, Adrian Peterson. Nice. Next one up, number 3 out of 499 of Peyton Manning. And that god-awful retro uni. Nice. These base are pretty nice. 126 out of 499, Legend of Walter Payton. Let's see, 497 out of 499. It's a Phenoms of Ricky Sapp. Number 14 out of 50, Spotlight of D'Angelo Williams, refractor, for the Carolina Panthers. Numbered 34 out of 100. What is this? Team Trademarks, Darren Sproles of the San Diego Chargers. Numbered 18 out of 25. It's a 3-color prime patch of initial steps of Jonathan Dwyer. See that white in there creeping on the inside, but 3-color prime. Numbered 25 of Jonathan Dwyer. And the last one, redemption. Cool. This is a 2010 Panini Limited Rookie Jumbo Prime Signatures, numbered 34. So that should be like that Clausen I pulled in the other video, I suppose. Right, what is this? Rookie Jumbo Prime. Okay. Number 34 for the Denver Broncos, Demaryius Thomas. So all of those are for sale or for trade. Please hit me up if you're interested in any. Hope everyone is staying cool in this heat wave we have going on. Please rate and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for stopping by tonight. Hope to see you all soon. This is Dominus Infinitus. Deuces.